Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Bond yields rebound analysis http ntvforex.com news ID 7B484981222025 am market movers today in Scandinavia. We get the Swedish inflation figures for July, and we expect a significant deviation from the usual seasonal pattern with bigger clothing sales and a marked drop in energy prices. Hence, we look for core CPIF energy to dip down 0.3 percentage points to 1.0%, a tenth below the Riksbank's forecast. Q2 GDP figures will be released for the UK, likely showing a sharp contraction of over 20% QQ according to consensus. Judging from the country figures, Euro area industrial production figures for June should show another sizable improvement in activity, although not quite back to pre-crisis levels. Comments from a range of Fed speakers in the afternoon will also be scrutinized by markets, as the Fed gears up for strengthening its forward guidance at the September meeting. NBSP selected market news on markets. The big story yesterday was the move higher in bond yields. The 10-year U.S. Treasury yield rose to 0.65% NBSP, the highest level since early July, driven by a move higher in both real interest rates as well as break-even inflation expectations. The move spilled over to the European bond market, but also took its toll on FX markets, where it ignited a rebound in the broad USD, notably taking USD JPY firmly above 1.06 level. On the monetary policy front, Atlanta Fed President Thomas Barkin yesterday argued that the resurgence of the virus in the U.S. had flattened out momentum. He further warned against removing fiscal support, stressing the fiscal side is unclear. On the trade side, U.S. top economic advisor Larry Kudlow said on Tuesday that the trade deal between U.S. and China is fine and China is substantially increasing purchases of U.S. goods. On COVID-19 developments, U.S. President Donald Trump said Moderna will manufacture and deliver 100 million doses of vaccine to the federal government. Finally, on the U.S. presidential election, Democrat presidential candidate Joe Biden yesterday announced that Senator Kamala Harris from California will be his pick for vice president. Harris then becomes the first black woman and first Asian American on major party presidential ticket. Download the full daily FX market commentary. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.